1769, a man named John Hewitt saw on a map drawn by William Gerard de Brom a notation that said fit site for a mill. So he came down south out of St. Augustine into lower St. Johns County, past Palliser Creek, and found the site that de Brom was talking about. And this is it. This is the location of Hewitts Sawmill, built in 1770. It supplied lumber for not only St. Augustine and John Hewitt, who was a master carpenter and a contractor for the governor of St. Augustine, not only the lumber for his projects, but the building of multiple buildings up in St. Augustine and the British Navy. Hewitt was a loyalist. The American Revolution broke out. His sawmill was supplying lumber for the British Navy, especially live oak. But this is the location that it was in. During the War of 1812, our offshoot here was the Patriot War, and it's reported that they made their way down Kings Road, which runs that way, and found this sawmill that was kind of derelict. When the American Revolution was over, Hewitt and the rest of the British left this sawmill standing. Well, the Patriots burned it. We believe it was rebuilt, and then it was destroyed again during the Second Seminole War. And that was the end of the story for a sawmill here. It was 53 feet long, about 30 feet wide, 2 stories. We think about 22 feet. William Jones, in 1977, found the site, did archaeological excavation of it, laid out corner posts, which have since rotted away. At some point, a PVC outline was made of it. That's the white you see in the background. This oak tree came down during a hurricane. We've still got to clear it. But this was the site, and the beginning of Kings Road Historic District was this area. We're hoping to get it back in shape so you all can come out and see it in person. But this is Florida history that nobody knows about. We're trying to change that. It's PZ with Kings Road Historic District, Flagler County Historic Society, and a sawmill. Can you see it?